Have I mentioned lately that the markets are volatile? Well, they are. The All Ords was up 50 points yesterday, down 50 points today, with resources giants and banks leading the way. Let's face it, investors haven't the faintest idea what to do at the moment and are settling for trying to make a buck by day trading in and out. AMP went up 2.5%, even though profit for the year fell 18%, it was just better than expected. And Wesfarmers went up 1/3% because its profit rose 23% on a 6% increase in sales, suggesting that Coles has not actually been cutting its profit margin. The Australian share market was not out of line with others around Asia. In fact, Japan, China and India all fared worse than our market. In New York, the Dow Jones was steady, but investors are dumping tech stocks at the moment because their profits are under pressure. On commodity markets, everything is up: oil, precious metals and base metals. And the Aussie dollar touched 106 overnight, in line with the commodity trading in New York, but then slipped back today with Asian share markets to be currently trading a little bit higher than this time last night. A couple of interesting graphs tonight. This is the net worth of the American private sector, a book value of $60 trillion. And that's more than enough to pay off the government's debt, if they felt so inclined to do, of course. And finally, one for half of you to get mad about: female wages as a percentage of male wages. It's now 82.4%, the lowest in 23 years. The average difference is $12,870 a year, according to CommSec. Women are obviously smarter than men, so it must be the rising demand for manual labour in mining and construction. And that's finance.